QuillBot AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of QuillBot, an AI-powered writing assistant designed to elevate your writing game. Links to QuillBot and its various features are included in the description for your convenience. QuillBot is built for writers, students, marketers, and anyone who needs to generate, enhance, or refine text quickly and effectively. Its core features include a paraphraser, grammar checker, summarizer, citation generator, and plagiarism checker, all powered by cutting-edge AI. The tool seamlessly integrates with platforms like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and most web browsers, making it versatile and easy to use in your workflow. The paraphraser is QuillBot's standout feature, offering 7 different modes to rewrite text according to your needs, such as standard, fluency, and creative. It allows you to adjust the level of creativity and tone, making it ideal for academic, professional, or casual writing. The summarizer is perfect for condensing lengthy articles or research papers into digestible points, saving time without losing key information. For students and researchers, the citation generator creates citations in multiple formats like APA and MLA, streamlining academic work. The plagiarism checker, available on premium plans, ensures your content is original and compliant with ethical writing standards. During my experience, QuillBot's grammar checker impressed me with its accuracy in identifying errors and improving sentence structure. The real-time feedback helped fine-tune my writing with minimal effort. Whether you're crafting essays, blog posts, or social media content, QuillBot's AI excels at clarity and precision. One of its standout qualities is its user-friendly interface. Intuitive enough for beginners, yet robust for advanced users. QuillBot offers a free tier with basic features, but upgrading to the premium plan unlocks advanced functionality like extended character limits and deeper plagiarism scanning. Overall, QuillBot is a powerful, affordable tool that simplifies complex writing tasks, improves productivity, and delivers high-quality results. If you're looking for an AI writing assistant that strikes the perfect balance between usability and functionality, QuillBot is worth considering. Check the links in the description to try it out today.